Are you looking for a new bed frame? Check out the top 5 best Zinus bed frames. These frames are made of high-quality materials and are sure to last for years. Plus, they're easy to assemble and come in a variety of sizes to fit your needs. So what are you waiting for? So let's get started with the list. List number: Zinus Cellini Upholstered Platform Bed Frame. The Cellini Upholstered Platform Bed Frame sets a high standard for elegance and style. Sleek wood slats support and extend the life of your latex, memory foam, or spring mattress without the need for a box spring. With its easy-as-pie assembly, sturdy construction, and elegant diamond pattern stitching, the Cellini stands the test of time and makes a stunningly chic addition to your bedroom. Designed to look and feel great, this upholstered platform bed features square tufting with knitted upholstery for maximum impact in your space. Made with sturdy steel construction, the Cellini is designed to last. With a maximum weight recommendation of 350 pounds, it's able to support up to 700 pounds for all other sizes. The interior foam padding adds comfort in any sleeping situation without sacrificing durability and longevity. Its diamond pattern stitching adds an elegant touch, and it features a modern silhouette that makes it your ideal match for bedrooms of any style. List number 2. Zinus Vivic Deluxe Wood Platform Bed Frame with Headboard. The Zinus Vivic Deluxe Wood Platform Bed Frame rests on sturdy wood slats and extends the life of your mattress without the need for a box spring. Beautifully detailed with natural wood grain, this solid platform bed feels like a piece of art and is built for comfort. Its carefully designed structure helps you rest easy all night long. The Vivic bed frame is constructed from solid natural wood, featuring a sturdy base that is designed to support up to a 1,500-pound weight capacity. This bed frame is made with interlocking slats that provide superior support and comfort. With its clean-lined modern design and antique espresso finish, this bed is a must-have for your bedroom. This solid wood platform bed frame is the perfect foundation for a memory foam or latex mattress. The narrow base is constructed of tightly spaced, sturdy wood slats to support your mattress without a box spring while extending its life. List number: Zinus Paul Metal and Wood Platform Bed Frame. This metal and wood platform bed frame is designed with a contemporary, clean-lined aesthetic that is perfect for any bedroom. The platform frame is built to last, while the headboard is made of durable hardwood, which will withstand the test of time. The understated headboard is small enough to complement any space in your home, while large legs give it enough presence to create a focal point in almost any room. This contemporary platform bed is the perfect solution for a modern lifestyle. A durable, solid wood headboard adds a hint of rustic character to complement the clean-lined metal frame. Built to last, our pole platform bed comes complete with an easy-to-set-up headboard bracket, solid wood slats, and plywood support platform. This versatile design can support a single twin-size mattress, or can be easily customized to accommodate a max weight capacity of 350 pounds. List number: Zinus Lorelei 14-inch Metal Platform Bed Frame. The Lorelei Platform Bed Frame is a modern, structurally sound foundation that lends both strength and understated sophistication to your bedroom. Two qualities that never go out of style. And because there's no box spring needed, your mattress will retain its supportive integrity over time. This steel-based frame is built to deliver dependable support, even under the heaviest sleepers. Constructed from solid metal slats and finished in durable steel, the Lorelei Metal Platform Bed Frame will stand the test of time while adding contemporary styling to any bedroom decor. The Lorelei Metal Platform Bed Frame from Zinus is a modern, structurally sound foundation for your bedroom. Built with a maximum weight recommendation of 700 pounds, this platform bed includes 13 inches of underbed space, perfect for storing extra odds and ends. List number: Zinus Raymond Wood Platform Bed Frame. The Zinus Raymond Wood Platform Bed Frame is a show-stopping piece of art. Its richly finished solid acacia wood frame and gold-tipped legs will enhance any bedroom. This stunning wood platform bed frame is expertly crafted with a rich finish and luxurious design. The headboard can be adjusted during assembly to 43.5, 41, or 38.4 inches high to suit the thickness of your mattress. A beautiful mid-century platform bed with a modern and distinguished design. Crafted from solid acacia wood and finished around the edges with gold-tipped legs, this bed features a slatted headboard that can be adjusted in height to meet your needs. Perfect for style-conscious home decorators, it will complement your existing design scheme or make a stylish statement of its own.